you ask Russ for permission for that?
For what?
Catching me supervising Russ working? It's bullshit.
Will you take a picture?
Yeah, fuck yes. You know, he's probably videotaping this prick.
No, I wouldn't do that. It's just not something you see every day.
Hey, do you got 3D on that? Hey, cigarette. Don't cut it too short. Cut it, Jason. Don't worry, Chaser. Your kennel's next. He